turn your subwoofers up. I have no added equalization. I'm pumping in a 25 hertz test tone into Super Jerry Jr. And this little 6.5 inch dual voice coil sub. Look at that articulation. Probably about an inch. Oh my god. Zero huff and chuff coming out of here. Got the tubing going all the way up, and I got a flared end in there, so kind of like a trumpet baritone effect. Unbelievable. Sweet tuning. Oh my god. Buttery. Alright, you gotta check this out. Bluetoothing, no problem. See, the antenna is now on the top. Let me turn this off. And you can fold it down right here like this. Move it around. Or, if you don't want a high gain Bluetooth antenna sticking out of your top of your box, so what you do right here is you unscrew this right here like this. And you put this little fangle-dangle dooley whacker badoogie snookin' blookin' tookin' right on here like this. Turn it back on. Yeah, I lost my Bluetooth signal. Oh well. Let me turn it on and see if it reconnects. Anyway, use the original stock lid on Super Jerry Jr. here. It has much better sound. Went to Lowe's, got some 1/4-20 hardware and lock nuts on there. See the antenna right here? That goes right into the amplifier right there. Oh yeah, real good like. Other tricks of the trade. 47 ohm, 100 watt resistors. I'm going to redo some of the speaker wiring in here. This is a 100 watt amplifier times 2, by the way. And I got it boosted up with a 24 volt booster right down there. See how I flared the end of the base port tube? Woohoo! 2.5 inch with a flare. You got to flare these things. You just got it kind of taped right up in there like that. Sucks the bass right out of there. Another fancy addition right here. Pull handle on the back. That way if you're at a job site or wherever, you can just chain lock this to a telephone pole so this thing doesn't get up and walk away. But there you have it. Oh, I'll shut that in a second. Rubber feet on the bottom. Good to go, buckwheat. You know, practice makes perfect. You know, you keep working on these things. King Jerry over here didn't work out the way I wanted it to. So ate the cost of 10-inch low-profile woofer. I also have another 10-inch up there. So I may use those in a different project if I start feeling froggy and want to get a really big can going. But just too much woofer for this can here. Screwed up the base port on here. Just didn't work out. It had some really strong sound with a 160 watt times 2 amplifier in there, but just got to be time consuming and cost, and you know, the hard work and time you put into these things, and you're just not getting what you wanted out of it. But this one is a frickin' little monster growler. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah.